up, everybody? So today we are going to be trying these magic milk straws. So I have chocolate.
I have vanilla, and I have strawberry.
So
how are they supposed to work?
Place milk straw into a glass of cold milk and drink the fantastic flavor. Single-use straw, dispose after use. Do not use more than one.
Okay, let's see. Show everybody these. That's the chocolate flavor of SpongeBob SquarePants magic milk straws.
Warren already opened his.
Did you get yours open?
Talented little buddy.
Alright.
So
Let's
the way
open
this
ours
works,
now.
there are these little holes here so that you can get the milk through. It just holds all the pellets in to flavor the milk.
Sweet.
And they dissolve once you drink your milk.
So let's take a look at the pellets.
Oh, how weird. Okay. Does it matter which end you drink from? It doesn't look like it.
No, it doesn't.
The ends look the same. And there's the pellets. Okay,
so
cool. That's the vanilla
no
one.
Small parts and is a safe straw to war. Okay. Is that a safe war straw?
Yeah.
It does contain small parts. Little pellets.
Roger, that's a bad.
Alright, Raj, why don't you pour some milk?
Alright.
Then we can get started.
So Warren picked vanilla because he loves vanilla milk.
Warren, what do you call vanilla milk?
Strawberry milk. Melon milk.
Melon milk, 'cause you're so cute.
Such a cute little 4-year-old. Sometimes I'm a big boy. And we'll be in August, and I'm going to turn 9 in August.
That's right, you guys are getting old.
Warren loves
Got some grandmas and grandpas going on over here.
Okay.
Alright.
Ooh, it's heavy. It just doesn't surprise. Oh, good!
Oh, it's so yummy. Warren, do you give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Thumbs up from Warren. It's vanilla milk. Oh, Erin likes hers.
Oh my gosh, that does taste like strawberry milk.
Is it super sugary?
No, not.
Is it not too bad? Sugary? What do you think, Raj?
the chocolate milk I was already drinking before you set me up for this.
Because you were drinking Nesquik, huh?
One too. Mommy,
Yours tastes like Nesquik?
Mommy, get a thumbs
Mhm.
up, Mommy.
Strawberry milk.
That's a pellet.
What, Warren?
Get a thumbs up.
Get a thumbs up. Okay, everybody, give us a thumbs up.
That was a little
Yummy.
Yay!
It was kind of a this. I mean, it was kind of weird. I mean,
Okay, I'm gonna have a drink of yours.
The flavor's kind of going away. Get a thumbs up,
thumbs
Mommy.
up. Oh, that one's yummy too.
That one's really sweet. I think because you haven't drank as much as yours yet. See.
That is so
Dodgenator chocolate milk.
Oh yeah.
Those are good. I'm surprised. Those
I
work
feel
really
like
well.
I have the
Then we
hair
have
of a moth.
4. We have 4 more straws to try later.
Those work great. For some reason, I was expecting that to be a total, I don't know, mess. A fail.
What did you expect would happen when you got something for like $1?
They were $1.50 a package.
Mommy, these
But
ones.
still, you can expect.
And there was how many in each? 5?
5. Yeah.
There's 5 in each.